Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to create a table in Affinity. So let's get started. First, make sure you have a document open, then go to Layout Studio at the top of the screen. Once you are there, look for the tool called Table Tool. So once you are there, just click on it and then click and drag on your canvas to create a table. So like so, and I will drag it right over here. As you drag, you will notice you can see the table size in millimeters. And you will also see how many rows and columns the table currently has. If you make the box bigger, everything adjusts automatically. So as you can see right here, I will drag a little bit. I'm just going to place one on the page here, so like so. With the table selected, take a look at the top toolbar. From here, you can choose your font style. Then you have, here is your font style, size, formatting. Then we have bold, italic, underline, strike through, and more. You can also change the color, text color, and even use highlight color if you want to mark something important. Then we have the table formatting options. With the table selected, you will see a table tab button appear at the top. And then we have a table formatting options. With the table selected, you will see a table tab button appear at the top. Inside the menu, you can adjust things like fill color, then stroke or border settings, spacing and inset spacing and inset options, and general table appearances. You can even save a table style if you are using more tables and want them to match. And yes, we can even group layer. Okay, so we have here pretty much a lot of options for doing this stuff. Table object, as you can see. And yeah, that's how you create and customize a table inside Affinity. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to subscribe. It really supports the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.